Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're learning how to ask for and give directions in English, an essential skill whether you're visiting a new city or helping a lost visitor in your own town. When asking for directions, start politely. "Excuse me" is the standard opener. Then, "Could you tell me how to get to the nearest underground station?" Or, "I'm looking for the Natural History Museum. Am I going the right way?" Or, "Is there a post office nearby?" If you're not sure of the exact name, describe what you need. "I'm looking for a cash machine or ATM." Or, "Is there a supermarket within walking distance?" Within walking distance means close enough to walk to comfortably. When someone gives you directions, they'll use specific vocabulary. Turn left means change direction to the left. Turn right is the opposite. Go straight on means continue in the same direction. Take the first left means turn left at the very next junction. At the roundabout, a circular road junction, they might say, "Take the third exit off the roundabout." Landmarks are very useful reference points in directions. You might hear, "It's opposite the church," or "Turn right just after the pub," or "You'll see a big red building on your left, the library is right next to it." Can't miss it means it's very obvious and easy to spot. Always confirm that you've understood. You might say, "Just to check, I turn left at the traffic lights and then it's the second building on the right." Or, "So I follow this road for about 10 minutes. And if you need to use public transport, ask, "Which bus goes to the city center?" Or, "Is the tube station nearby?" Today we covered asking and giving directions, using landmarks, and confirming understanding. Navigation vocabulary is practical and immediately useful. See you next lesson.